A police report said an officer turned into a frog. That sounds like a joke, but it's real, and it should worry you. This didn't come from a prank or a bad movie script. It came from a real police department testing artificial intelligence to help write official reports. The AI listened to body camera audio and drafted the report for the officer. Somewhere in that process, it picked up background sound from a movie playing nearby and confidently wrote that the officer transformed into a frog. It was caught before it became official, but that's not the point. The point is this: if an AI can invent a frog, it can invent facts. Police reports are not harmless paperwork. They decide who gets arrested, who gets charged, and who spends a night in jail or months fighting a case. Prosecutors rely on them. Judges read them. Most cases never go to trial, which means these reports are rarely challenged line by line. What's written often becomes the truth by default. Supporters of AI tools say they save time. Officers spend hours writing reports after long shifts. AI promises speed, efficiency, and less burnout. In some departments, officers say it saves them hours each week. That sounds like progress. But here's the risk. AI does not understand context. It doesn't know when a TV is on in the background. It doesn't know sarcasm, jokes, or overlapping voices. It fills in gaps with confidence, even when it's wrong. That's not a glitch. That's how these systems work. Now imagine the mistake isn't funny. Imagine an AI adding a sentence about a suspect reaching for a weapon when that never happened. Imagine it describing behavior that justifies force, a search, or an arrest. Even if the officer reviews the report, humans miss things, especially when they trust the tool. This is already pushing lawmakers to act. Some states now require police to disclose when AI helps write reports. Others want audit trails to show what the AI generated and what the officer changed. That tells you something. The risk is real enough to demand rules. There's also a bigger question hiding underneath all of this. When something goes wrong, who is responsible? The officer? The department? The software company? Or no one at all because the mistake was assisted by a machine? The frog story went viral because it was absurd. But absurd mistakes are warnings. They show you the cracks before something serious falls through them. Technology is moving faster than the systems designed to control it. Once AI-written narratives quietly enter the justice system, they don't just save time, they reshape outcomes. The frog didn't matter. What matters is what else could slip through, unnoticed, into a system that decides people's lives.